Freepik Premium without paying, here's how. 2026. Official way. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you've been using Freepik, and you keep hitting that premium wall every time you find the perfect asset. You want access to the good stuff, but you don't necessarily want to pull out your credit card right away. Totally understandable. In this video, I'm going to show you all the legitimate ways you can get Freepik Premium without paying, or at least without paying full price in 2026. Let's get into it. Freepik free tier. First, before we talk about getting premium access, let me quickly remind you that Freepik actually has a very solid free tier that a lot of people underestimate. As a free user, you get access to millions of resources including vectors, photos, illustrations, and templates without spending a single penny. The main difference is that free assets require attribution, and you don't get access to the exclusive premium-only content. But if you're just starting out or working on a personal project, the free library alone can take you really far. Always check the free section first before assuming you need premium. Freepik free trial. The most straightforward way to get Freepik Premium for free is through their official free trial. Freepik offers a free trial period for new users that gives you full premium access without being charged upfront. Go to freepik.com, click on pricing or get premium, and look for the free trial option. You'll need to enter your payment details to start the trial, but you will not be charged until the trial period ends. If you cancel before the trial is up, you pay nothing, and you still get to enjoy full premium access during that window. Just make sure you set a reminder to cancel if you don't want to be billed after the trial. Student discounts and educational access. If you're a student, this one is for you. Freepik periodically offers discounted or free access for students and educational institutions. Check Freepik's official website for any current student programs, or reach out to their support team directly using your university email address to ask about educational pricing. A lot of design and creative platforms have unpublicized student deals that they'll offer if you simply ask. It's worth sending that email because the worst they can say is no. Freepik Contributor Program. Here's one that most people have never heard of. Freepik has a contributor program where designers and creators can upload their own assets to the Freepik library. In return, contributors earn royalties and in some cases can receive premium benefits as part of their contributor status. If you're a designer, illustrator, or photographer, this is a legitimate way to give back to the platform while potentially earning your way to premium access. Go to support.freepik.com and look for information about becoming a contributor to see the current terms and benefits. Bundled subscriptions and creative platform deals. Keep an eye out for bundled subscription deals that include Freepik Premium alongside other creative tools. Platforms like Envato, Creative Fabrica, and various design tool bundles occasionally include Freepik Access or Freepik credits as part of a larger package. Sometimes these bundles are available through deal sites like AppSumo or Stack Social at a fraction of the regular cost. If you're already subscribing to other creative tools, it's worth checking whether any bundle you're considering includes Freepik access as a bonus. CASHBACK and coupon platforms. If you've decided you do want to pay for Freepik but want to reduce the cost, cashback platforms and coupon sites are your best friend. Websites like Honey, RetailMeNot, and Rakuten frequently have discount codes or cashback offers for Freepik subscriptions. Before you subscribe, run a quick search for Freepik discount code or Freepik coupon 2026, and you'll often find a working promo code that takes a significant percentage off the subscription price. Some codes offer up to 30 or 40% off, which makes premium much more affordable. Annual plan savings. If you know you're going to use Freepik regularly, switching from a monthly plan to an annual plan is one of the easiest ways to save money. Freepik's annual subscription typically works out to significantly less per month compared to paying month to month. So while it's not free, you could be saving the equivalent of several months of subscription costs just by committing to the yearly plan upfront. Check the pricing page for the current savings breakdown between monthly and annual options. Follow Freepik on social media. This one is simple but effective. Follow Freepik on Instagram, X, and Facebook. Freepik regularly runs giveaways, promotional campaigns, and limited-time offers through their social channels where they give away free premium subscriptions or discount codes to their followers. Turning on post notifications for their accounts means you'll never miss one of these opportunities. Companies do this more than people realize, and it costs you nothing to follow and stay in the loop. So to wrap it all up, start with the free tier, take advantage of the official free trial, look into student discounts, explore the contributor program, watch for bundle deals. Use coupon platforms, consider the annual plan for savings, and follow Freepik on social media for giveaways. There are more ways to access Freepik Premium for free or cheap than most people realize, and now you know all of them. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tech tips. Share it with a fellow designer who could use it, and drop any questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.